Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my September Boxy Charm unboxing. So this month is September and I've seen a few sneak peeks for this, but there's a few items in here that I'm hoping I got one variation. There were a few variations of some of the products, and there is an eyeshadow palette in here that I'm so excited for. But without further ado, if you guys are new, welcome to my channel, and if you guys are not new, welcome back and thanks for joining us. If you guys have not already, please hit the subscribe button, and if you haven't already, hit the notification button so you're getting the notifications of when these fun videos are coming out. If you guys want to see what I got in my top box this month, just keep watching.
Of course I said that I love you, but I never said it and meant it till the day that I met you, cause my head was just spinning.
Alright, so I'm just gonna dive right in here and open this up. So this is the thing for this month, the pamphlet I guess, and of course it says BoxyCharm on it, and this month's theme is a wild flowers, and then there's some pretty girls on there, and then of course it's got what I got in there. I'm not going to open it up just yet because I want to be surprised about what I got. So let's just dive right into it here. Oh, first thing I can feel is this here, and this is the Laura Geller New York blush, and it's a baked blush and bright, and this is called Tropical Hues. And there's a little bit of a mirror in there, but that is what that looks like. That looks so pretty. This is not one of the variation products. This was, I think everyone got one of these. That is so pretty. It has a bit of a shimmer too, which I kind of like. I don't own very many blushes that have shimmer to it, so that will look super cute. I think I'm definitely gonna try that one out. That is exciting. I also think that that would be a really pretty color to kind of just blend everything in. All right, so the Laura Geller blush retails for $28, so that's not bad for a blush. All right, up next is these in here, and I knew I was getting these. I was super excited. So these are from LMR, and if you guys recall, we have gotten a palette from them as well. So it's a 3 brush set, and this is like an eyeshadow blending brush, a packer brush, and you can use this for eyebrows or to blend in some under eye crease makeup. And there's no numbers or anything on them, it's just the nice packaging. It is green with the rose goldy color, which I think is super cute. And then the brush set retails for $18, which is pretty good for the 3 of them. And up next, let's flip this over and take a look at this right here. I knew there was a lipstick of some sorts in here, but ooh, I got the Lorac one, which is really exciting. This is the Lorac Pro Matte Lip Color, and the color is Aubergine, I think it's called. Let's just open this up, and this is what it looks like. That is the color, and then you just pull the top off, and it looks like that is super pretty. It's nice and dark. Let's do a swatch of this. Ooh, that is going to be a gorgeous fall color. And these are matte lips, so that I think is going to be super fabulous. I think that that is going to look amazing with some beautiful fall colored looks. So the Lorac Pro retails for $19, so that's not bad for a lipstick. Kind of like that. And then there are 2 more items left in here, and I am going to grab out this one here. And this was one of the ones that had the variation that I was kind of like, there's a few things that I didn't want, and I did get the one that I wanted, so I'm super excited for this. And I'm sorry, I'm shaking everywhere. So this is the Angel Eyes Luminous. I think Luminous is the brand. Luminous Cosmetics is the brand, and then Angel Eyes Eyeshadow Primer. And this is actually cruelty free, which is pretty awesome. I really like the packaging here. This is what the container looks like, and then this one is in the color Nude, so that's the container, and then that is what it looks like. So I'm just going to, oh yeah, that's very nice. It's a little bit lighter than my skin tone, which is perfect for when I'm putting on light colors. So that blends in really nice. It actually just completely covered up a cut ahead of my hand. So that is nice and thick. I'm really excited to try that. I love eyeshadow primers. I think they are amazing. I have a bunch of them, and I do not do eyeshadow without an eyeshadow primer. Granted, I use a primer for all the time. I always use a face primer and I always use an eyeshadow primer. I feel like they just make your face look really good, and I feel like they actually help keep makeup on your face, which is amazing. The eyeshadow primer base retails for $14, so that's not bad. So up next, and the final thing in this BoxyCharm is from Pretty Vulgar. I am so excited for this. When I saw sneak peeks of this, I was ecstatic. I've gotten a few things from Pretty Vulgar. I have a gel liner, as well as, I think I have a blush from Pretty Vulgar, and they have the cutest packaging. Like, I think this is absolutely adorable. And this one is Nightingale. So this is, it's got the mirror, and then this is, I'm gonna do it this way first. This is what it looks like. It is like a little bird cage. It is super adorable. If you look really closely, you've got some mattes, some shimmers, some more mattes, and then more shimmers. I think that this is gonna be a very awesome traveling palette. I do know, and I am definitely looking at it, and it is definitely got some cool tones in here. I don't know if I'm going to absolutely love it. I haven't actually used a whole lot of cool tones, but my skin's quite on the warm side, so it might not go too well with my skin. I'm gonna have to do an eyeshadow look and see. Take a look at this eyeshadow right here. How gorgeous that is. That is the clutch, which is this one here. And let's do Silver Spoon, which is the blue one. Let's do a swatch of that. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Those are so pretty. Let's try one of the matte ones. After Midnight, which is this one here. Oh, that's not too bad. Let's do one more little swatch of that just to make sure. It's got some great pigment. It's a bit patchy, but that's a finger swatch, so let's be honest. It's bound to happen. I am super excited to try those. If you guys want to see a look with this eyeshadow palette, leave me a comment in the comments below and I will do a look for you guys. I am definitely very happy with this month's BoxyCharm. I wasn't super impressed with last month's BoxyCharm, but this one is amazing. I will definitely be using everything that came in this month's BoxyCharm, so that's exciting. Let's just jump right into how much it actually cost this month. Oh, and I forgot to mention the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette retails for $35. Okay, so this month it's about $114, which honestly, it's not that high compared to normal, but this month I am not sad about that. That doesn't make me mad. Well, that was everything in this month's for September BoxyCharm. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye! There's a heart on it, so it's I heart this one. Okay, so I'm running out of arm space, so let's just do this right here. So this is what that one looks like. They look really similar, so this one and this one look quite similar on the swatches. It's probably the way it is. This one's a little bit more gray, and this one's a little bit more browny, so that's why I picked them up.